15 Home Remedies for Common Cold and Cough. Please like and subscribe. Trusting on home remedies to cure common cold and cough is something that many Indian households still believe. Besides treating common cold and cough effectively, these home remedies are also free from any side effects. Here we have mentioned some of these home remedies that will help you treat common cold and cough. Ginger tea. Ginger tea not only tastes good but also helps in treating common cold and cough. The tea helps in drying running and dripping nose, thus expelling phlegm from the respiratory tract. Among various health benefits of ginger, it is known to soothe common cold and speeds up the recovery process. Mixture of lemon, cinnamon and honey. Another effective home remedy for common cold and cough is a mixture of lemon, cinnamon and honey. This syrup effectively cures cold and cough. How to make the syrup: in half spoon of honey, add a few drop of lemon and a pinch of cinnamon. Have this syrup twice a day to cure common cold and cough. Lukewarm water. Drink lukewarm water frequently as it helps in fighting against common cold, cough and sore throat. Warm water reduces inflammation in the throat and helps in replenishing the fluids and infection out of the body. Milk and turmeric. An essential ingredient found in almost all Indian kitchens, turmeric has a strong antioxidant which helps in treating many health problems. Turmeric mixed in warm milk is a popular and effective way to fight against cold and cough. Drinking a glass of warm turmeric milk before sleeping helps in faster recovery from cold and cough. Gargle with salt water. This is an age-old therapy that effectively treats cough and cold. Adding turmeric in this salt water is also beneficial. Honey and brandy. Brandy is known to keep your chest warm as it increases body's temperature, and mixing honey in brandy helps in fighting a cough. Just a teaspoon of brandy mixed with few drops of honey improves cough and common cold. Spiced tea. Add tulsi, ginger and black pepper while preparing your tea, and this spiced tea is great for your health. These three ingredients play an important role in fighting a common cold and cough. Honey, lime juice and warm water. This is a perfect dose to improve digestion and for the circulation system. Adding honey to lukewarm water is the best solution in controlling common cold and cough. Amla. Being a strong immunomodulator, amla fights against many diseases. Eating one amla regularly provides many health benefits as it ensures the proper functioning of the liver and improves blood circulation. Ginger tulsi mixture. Extract the ginger juice and add crushed tulsi leaves to it and add honey. Consume it to get relief from a cough. Please like and subscribe. Flax seeds for cold and cough. Flax seeds are another effective remedy to cure common cold and cough. You can boil flax seeds until it thickens and strain it. Add a few drops of lime juice and honey to it and consume the mixture for cold and cough relief. Ginger and salt. Cut ginger into small pieces and add salt to it. Chew these ginger pieces to fight cold, cough and a sore throat. Sauté garlic. Sauté a few garlic cloves in ghee and consume this when warm. This can be a bitter concoction but has a great soothing impact for common cold and cough. Jaggery solution. Boil water with black pepper, cumin and jaggery to it. Consume this solution when warm and it will give you relief from chest congestion. Carrot juice. This uncommon home remedy is great to fight common cold and cough. It may sound strange, but this interesting drink helps in relieving common cold and cough. Please like and subscribe.